Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles with waffle powder. Preheat your waffle iron to 375 degrees F and gather waffle powder, milk, eggs, oil, and a spatula. Whisk batter until smooth with no lumps, then rest briefly for better rise. Spoon batter into the iron, close gently, and cook until golden brown and crisp. Serve warm with syrup, fruit, or yogurt for a simple, satisfying breakfast. In this video, I will show how to make waffles with waffle powder. Start by combining powder, cold milk, eggs, and oil in a bowl and whisk gently. Avoid overmixing to keep waffles tender and airy. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes so the mix hydrates and bubbles form. This small pause helps your waffles crisp on the outside while staying soft inside, making them reliably delicious every time. In this video, I will show how to make waffles with waffle powder. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier by storing leftovers in leak-proof containers, which prevents syrup messes and stack neatly in the fridge. They save time on busy mornings and keep toppings separate for fresh servings. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can share more handy tips and gear. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make waffles with waffle powder. Spoon batter into the center of the preheated iron and close it without pressing down. Cook until steam drops and waffles reach a deep golden brown, which usually yields a crisp outside and fluffy inside. Transfer cooked waffles to a cooling rack to stay crisp while you finish the batch. Serve with favorite toppings like syrup, fruit, or whipped cream for instant joy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.